today's special guest is Double Trouble. Hope you guys enjoyed that dance at the start, all for you guys. But today I have the Mohan twins. Say hi, guys.
Hey.
And I'm gonna try and guess which one is which. So which one likes the moon?
No, that's cheating. She's gonna know.
Both don't like the moon?
One is more. One likes the moon. Yeah.
Okay, that's probably Nila. Alright, so let me see by stuff you're wearing. Can I see your earrings? You're not wearing earrings. So you probably like to shine like the moon, I think. So maybe you're Nila and you're Niro.
Is that your final guess?
Oh man, no.
I'm Nila and I'm Niro.
I'm probably gonna still get you guys confused in the video. You guys are not identical twins, right?
No, we're fraternal.
Okay, so what are like the key differences? Wait, let me try and see.
Yeah.
Okay. There is difference, like the eye shape a little bit.
Yeah. What else?
So obviously, I know, like okay, the hair obviously, like yours is curly. Do you always curl your hair?
Yeah, I usually she usually
okay.
Yeah. They got bigger lips than her.
Yeah,
bigger nose, bigger eyes, bigger eyebrows.
Oh, is that like a thing for fraternal twins though?
Yeah, like some when you like have different features, one usually has a little bit bigger stuff.
Oh,
yeah.
So you have a bigger than her.
Possibly.
Who is the oldest? You guys can take turns answering, by the way. So
Okay, I guess I'll go first. I'm the oldest, by a minute, actually.
by a minute.
Yeah.
Do you expect her to be the oldest?
No.
Yeah.
I don't think she was the oldest.
Yeah, a lot of people say she looks older and acts older.
Okay. So who takes longer to get ready?
Niro. Probably me.
Okay, so you guys both agreed on that.
Yeah.
And how long do you remember dressing up the same? Like how long do you think your parents like dressed you up the same?
I think until like elementary school, I want to
Yeah, because
like
basically.
grade 6?
Yeah, like I remember wearing the same pants and stuff to school.
Even in grade 8 at a point, which is really sad.
I think high school is when we kind of like
No,
stopped.
that's not sad. That's so cute. The one thing that you can do well that the other can't. So I guess this is a question for each of you.
Okay.
What can Niro do that you can?
I think she's more gifts. Yeah, she's like more creative. Like if you were to do like art, painting, any kind of, or even when it comes to editing, she's more like precise and stuff.
Okay.
For me, I'm more like writing. I like writing and reading, so I feel like I
creative.
can write better. Yeah, we're kind of different spectrums.
Yeah.
Okay. And who's better at putting fake lashes on?
I think we're really bad talent this morning, so I'm gonna maybe point to her.
I think we're equally good.
Yeah.
It's just this morning was pretty rough.
It was
20
rough.
minutes from
And you guys don't help each other with each other's makeup
Makeup?
either?
No. We use the same stuff
Okay.
on our faces,
But we don't really help each
but
other.
we do our own.
Yeah.
Describe each other in 3 words.
Hardworking.
Hardworking.
Oh my God! See, we had
We're
to telepathy because I was just gonna say
Watch me say
that.
the same everything.
Sorry for you.
Smart. I don't know if that goes under. Okay, hard.
It sort of does.
Yeah. I should think of something.
I'm just trying to make it harder for you guys.
Talented.
I think dedicated, outgoing, and creative.
So when you said dedicated, is it because I've heard that Mohan Mondays actually are Mohan Mondays?
Sometimes, yeah.
You guys are
I was
so
like in
consistent.
school, yeah, because I was in
Yeah.
school at a point when she kind of had like more downtime.
Yeah,
She
okay.
had school at the same time, but like there was like less of it. I had more of it, so she had to do like all the editing.
Yeah.
And that's the only reason we started Mohan Mondays that early was because of her. So yeah.
Now we're both.
Now we're both
equally
equally
hard.
not into it and into it. You know,
Yeah.
when we
Got
try
it.
to balance.
And
yeah.
like, how come you guys came up with Mohan Mondays? Like, why Monday?
We thought it would be good to start off the week with our video.
Yeah.
Is one reason why we chose Monday, and also because it's
Like,
the only one that starts
kind of
at the
works
end
with our
and
last
goes with
name.
our last name.
Yeah.
So
and
marketing.
Mohan Mondays kind of like has a
It has a
little
flow, right?
it has
Yeah,
a-
I agree too. So, do you have cute nicknames for each other?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So in the beginning, obviously when we were born, we couldn't say our whole name. It was too long. So I used to call her Nosi.
Like I call her
Wait,
Nas.
your names are not Nila.
No,
It's no.
it's Nalashika and Naroshika.
No, that's way too short for a brown name. Let's be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's Naroshika and Alakshika.
I just randomly combined letters of her name
Yeah.
to make Nosi. That's all I can say. Nasi.
So Nasi and Nosi.
Yeah. She's
Nasi.
Nosi, I'm Nasi.
Our friends call us that now.
Yeah, our
We
friends
say
got
it so
used to because we don't say Niro in
I know,
public.
like, everyone shortened my name to Prince.
Yeah, exactly.
So I get it, guys. Favorite feature on
Oh,
that's
favorite
hard.
feature. Her nose. That's so awkward.
Her lips.
Yeah, it's awkward, but
Alright, guys.
yeah.
So if they could swap one body part of body.
Nose and lips.
Have you both liked the same guy before?
Interesting.
No.
So guess both of you guys answer. What is your taste in guys? Like,
Okay.
Smart? Yeah.
Okay, mine's like
Supportive and smart, basically. I feel like we have the same criteria.
Yeah,
supportive and
mine
smart.
is definitely like motivated, like you know, hardworking, smart. I guess that's all like one thing. Funny,
Yeah,
definitely funny.
Oh no, she's trying to spill some tea.
Would you guys date twins?
I don't know. I feel like that would be weird.
Yeah, I feel like
I don't think we would do that.
no, I feel like it would be too much going on.
Yeah.
I feel like my parents would be like, I'm getting confused now.
Yeah,
Because everyone
probably.
looks the same. Like
Yeah.
family photos, they just be like.
So I did watch one of your videos, like I guess the get to know you video.
Yeah, oh, yeah,
and
that's
you guys
awesome.
were comparing yourselves to your mom and your dad.
Yeah.
Which one is more like your mom? Was it
Me. Yeah.
So you're more like your mom.
I'm more like
Yeah.
my mom.
And
Because
she's very like hardcore. And,
yeah,
like,
I'm more like
you know,
blunt and to the point,
I'm
very
very
loud.
like soft.
My dad's
never gets
very
mad.
quiet, never
Yeah.
gets mad.
Who can cook better?
Zero. Like
None of
never.
us.
We
serious?
suck
Oh,
at cooking.
Put the ramen noodles in your YouTube channel.
Oh, my friend.
So have you ever tried sending another twin for your exam?
No, but we were very close to do it. For my psychology exam, like I'm not good at psychology, that's her over there. And so I was like coming to like the exam
She
day, I
wrote
was like,
it, and then she came home and she's like,
I know I should have
I bombed that, and I was
Yeah.
like, oh.
I didn't end
You
up
had the
bombing
thought
it.
of
We had the
Yeah.
thought, but I feel like we're way too scared or
Yeah,
way too like
because,
by
like,
the books to ever.
The
actually
consequences are too high.
Have you ever regretted being a twin?
No, not really.
It's more just when we
Okay,
get.
guys, you don't have to like not hurt each other's feelings. Okay, they could be
Like,
like,
I don't wanna be your
own
twin.
No, like, did you ever want to like not have someone that kind of looks like you, just like do your own thing? Like, have you ever had thoughts of that?
I feel like it's only when we get compared negatively.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then yeah.
Yeah.
Because when you
She's like, what do you mean?
Who comments to you?
not really on our YouTube channel,
Yeah.
but like you know, in
More
life
like
and
in
stuff,
person.
people obviously compare twins.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
they'll be like, oh, this one is better at this one is better at this. So at
Yeah.
that point, like since we're the
That's
same
like a
age,
sibling thing
Yeah,
sometimes too. But
it
I
is.
think when you're like you have like years apart from each other, it's less hurtful.
It's less
because
hurtful.
like everyone's in their different stage of life.
yeah, but when
So
you're
you
at
guys-
the same
so you guys
stage
are just
at the
made
same
it up
time,
by
yeah,
So,
comparison.
yeah,
yeah. But I don't think it's gone to the point we ever like regret.
yeah, for sure.
Like you guys are confident with yourself.
Yeah, we're good.
We're like fine with it.
Yeah.
Can you feel each other's pains and worries? Like, do you know when the other twin's going through something?
Yeah, I
For
would
the
say
most
yeah.
part,
For the
yeah.
most part, yeah. Like if she doesn't have to come and tell me if something's wrong, I would sense the vibe, you know, with
Like
her
her tone.
behavior.
What
Yeah.
about her when she's in
Yeah.
Or she always just a happy person?
No, I'm the emotional one. She's the emotional one.
Yeah.
I like the loud
She's
emotional
definitely
one. So you can definitely sense it from me because I'll probably show it.
Or do you guys have the same favorite color?
No. I mean,
Actually, same color, different
shades. Mine's like baby blue.
Mine's royal blue.
Mine was baby blue and
I
red.
love baby
I like
blue.
gray too. Like if
Yo,
you were to
I
see
was-
like more of a shade, I would say gray. But
Yeah.
like royal blue is like
Royal blue.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
I was baby blue obsessed.
I'm still obsessed. I think I'm gonna be
Yeah, I think I
like
kind of got over it. Now my favorite color is like black.
Okay.
Like all my wardrobe's like usually black, gray.
yeah, same white, neutral.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Every time I go shopping, I just go to those colors. Alright, so other than you two, do you have any siblings?
Yeah, so we have an older brother that's 3 years older than us. His name's
Roche.
Roche.
Niro.
Yes.
How does your brother feel about having twin
Twins?
sisters? I know he's not here to talk for us,
Yeah.
but you guys would know
Yeah.
sort of. Like,
I think he likes it. I
likes
feel like we don't cause too much trouble for him.
Yeah. He's pretty like protective in ways. I
Yeah.
guess when he needs to be. Like if it's like I guess with
But
guys.
he's also not
or, like-
really protective.
Yeah.
And is he closer to one twin than the other? Like in terms of like sharing his darkest moments?
I feel like she lives.
I live in the basement. It's like a weird. Okay, because I just got rid of her. I was just automatically handle her. So like I used to live like upstairs, but my room was really small. So when I went into high school, I wanted a bigger room, and the downstairs room, my grandparents had like moved out, and it has 2 closets.
So you guys never slept together? Like shared?
We did when we were
In elementary school,
Yeah.
yeah. And then in high school, we didn't want to, obviously, right?
Need our space.
Need our space. So I moved downstairs because I wanted a alone bathroom. I got tired of sharing with these two,
Okay.
and I wanted my own room. So then I feel like when it comes to like talking about personal things, he would tell her first because I was downstairs, right?
Yeah.
And then they would eventually move the conversation to my room because my room is where no one is and it's privacy. So yeah.
only
So I
go
would.
first.
Yeah, and they would gradually, I'd hear them come down the stairs and
Yeah.
be like, let's talk.
Okay, so how do your parents feel about dating first of all?
I feel like obviously camel dads are a little bit more strict. They have their own perception of like the people that you want to be with. so he's a little bit more strict. I would say he's kind of like my brother. He's protective.
Okay.
My mom's more.
My mom is kind of chill. Like, yeah, she might not seem outwardly that she's chill about it, but
She just wants to know.
she wants to know what's going on. So if
Okay.
you're going behind her back doing stuff, she doesn't want that.
Yeah.
Like, if you tell her and she gets to like meet
My
the
mom's
person.
very smart too. She picks up on things.
Yeah,
so,
Like, I think you do have to be your kid's sort of like friend.
Yeah,
because
yeah,
then
that's
the-
what she wants to
Then
be,
kids
yeah.
start to do stuff behind their parents'
Exactly.
back, and then they go down the wrong path.
Yeah.
And so it's better to actually talk and
She wants to
communicate.
know, yeah, and she wants to be able to like talk to them and figure it out and then move
And
on.
then
Yeah.
move on. There are families where there's siblings and one sibling is favoritized more than the other. Does your dad favoritize one of you three like more?
I feel like my mom likes my brother the most.
Yeah,
because
you know, it's just first
I
child.
think that's like the
privilege.
easier route.
Yeah.
I can't choose between the twins.
Yeah.
I'm gonna choose the
Yeah, and not even my mom just loves my brother. Like, it's just a first child thing.
Yeah.
Like, you know.
Well, and mom to son relationship. Like,
Yeah, it's just moms and sons, daughters and dads,
Yeah.
that kind of thing.
Yeah.
But I would say we're both kind of close with both of them. We do
Yeah.
talk to my mom a lot because she's home and
Yeah.
stuff. So yeah.
We're more friends with my mom. If that
Yeah.
makes sense. She's more like easier to like say things to, I guess.
Yeah.
And you guys are all like numerology number 8s.
Yeah.
We are. Oh, my
8
mom
to
is
1.
too.
So do you guys feel like you guys butt heads a lot, like because you guys are the same numbers? And
Us
number
too, or-
8s I've heard are like rulers. Do you guys find yourselves like bossy or butting heads because you guys are all number 8s?
I don't think bossy,
think
but
so.
we do like to control things. Like, we're
Yeah.
very organized, so we would just like take the lead, you know? Yeah.
Mhm.
Not very deep. I had to like
I
break
was
it
like,
down
"Oh my
a
God,
little bit.
I'm not meeting guys. I know you guys dance.
Yeah. We do.
Yeah, so talk about that.
My mom is a dance teacher, so I guess we kind of just naturally started it because of her.
Yeah.
We started when we were 3, I want to say.
Yeah.
And we went until about like end of high school.
Yeah.
So it's been, it's
So
been,
your mom taught you guys.
yeah, so she taught us
And
everything.
how did that go?
It was good.
That was fun.
I think like, I feel like we got personal training on the side
Yeah.
because like she's our mom.
Yeah.
And she wants us
She
to
would like
be
make us
perfect.
like perfect.
I don't know, I feel like if my mom was a dance teacher, I would not take it seriously.
Yeah,
We
I
did
feel
it
like it's hard to-
sometimes, but like she did treat us as a student, so we didn't get like favoritism or anything.
Yeah,
okay.
Like, if we did it wrong, we got in trouble.
Who inspired you guys to kind of start your channel?
I think for me it was Nikki.
Okay.
They're twins. There's Nikki and
two of
Gabby. So
Oh,
they
okay. I thought
kind
it
of
was like the makeup artist for a second. There's
Oh
the-
no, not
No,
Nikki tutorial.
no.
Yeah, no, this is Nikki DiMartino and Gabby DiMartino.
Ah, there's one is edgy and one is
Yeah,
One is
yeah,
more
watched it.
vintage. Yeah, so they're the kind of ones.
Yeah, they inspire both of us to like
To start YouTube for
Okay.
sure.
Like I noticed your concepts are really good, and you guys are like throwing content like every week, which is so difficult, guys.
Yeah,
like
very difficult.
shooting, like getting dressed up, having the energy on top of that, because you guys are still doing school, right?
Yeah.
What's the drive?
I think it's kind of similar for both of us, but for me, I would say like a stress reliever. Like, we have very different lives. Like, she's doing her master's right now, I'm doing like a certificate program. So with all of that, like busy, it's
Yeah.
like sitting down and like having fun with our friends or having fun with our family or just with each other is more of something that we need.
But I
So-
feel like that, like, I look at it like that, but sometimes I'm like, oh my god, we have to film today. Like, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I do
So
get
you're
stressed
the
over
one that
filming.
kind of
I'm like, oh my,
Yeah.
I
Come on.
Like, we have to do today because like,
Come on,
you know,
Niro.
we
People are
need
expecting
to
us,
like,
Come on,
you know,
Niro.
we-
So how long do you guys think you guys will be around for doing this? Like when you guys are married and stuff, like what's gonna happen?
I think we can still
I think we
bring
can
the channel.
It might change to like us and our
Family life?
Yeah, and but I think our combined channel will still stay combined for a really long time, like even after we have our own separate lives, because I feel like we would not live far from each other.
Yeah.
Because
Probably like next door
She might still be in the basement.
Yeah, I know. You never know. You never know how it's gonna turn out.
What's your favorite drink at Tim Hortons?
Half French vanilla, half hot chocolate.
medium hot chocolate.
Medium
Yeah.
hot chocolate.
Yeah.
Oh,
Or iced coffee.
What's your favorite drink?
Super
French vanilla.
Okay, so you're
no
a mix
hot
of-
chocolate, just the French. You both drive?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
both drive. We're not
We
great
both
at it,
suck at it, but
we're okay.
we drive.
Who's a crazier driver?
Like who's worse?
Who,
Who's
who
the worst?
has like
crazier?
road rage?
Oh, none of us.
None
Because
of
we're
us.
both equally like bad at it, so we're just we're both scared.
Are you on dating websites? Like
No,
I've never downloaded Tinder or any of
Or
that. I don't.
sure.
It's
I
not
don't
for
even
me.
know
Like
what
I'm
they're
not
called.
against people doing it. It's
Yeah.
more like I can never.
That's
just,
not
like,
at my comfort
meet someone
level.
like yeah. Like,
So,
you.
you
Okay.
twist today, guys. They're gonna do my outro.
Thanks so much for watching our video.
Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And turn your post notifications